Hello everyone, myself Shruti Khurana and today I am going to give a virtual presentation on artificial intelligence. So let's start with history of artificial intelligence. The word artificial intelligence is not a new word, also not a new technology for researchers. This technology is much older than you would imagine. Even there are the myths of mechanical man in ancient Greek and Egyptian myths. Now let us look at these important dates. 1943, the evolution of artificial neurons was taken place. In 1950, Alan Turing created the Turing machine, which conducts Turing test, which is basically to test machines intelligence, whether they can intelligently think like a human being. In 1956, the word artificial intelligence was coined. In 1966, the first chatbot named Aliza was formed. In 1972, first intelligent humanoid robot was built in Japan named Waboot 1. In between 1974 to 1980, we got the first AI winner. In 1980, expert systems came into existence. Now, let us look at some more dates. In between 1987 to 1993, we got the second AI winner. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue, the first computer to beat a world chess champion. In 2002, for the first time, AI entered the home in the form of Roomba, a vacuum cleaner. In 2011, IBM's Watson won a quiz and proved that it can understood natural language processing. In 2012, Google has launched an Android app feature Google Now, which was able to provide information to the user. 2014, Eugene Gutzman won a competition in Turing test, and in 2015 we have Amazon Echo, Alexa. So far we have reached this. Now, let us look at some components of artificial intelligence: machine learning, deep learning, expert systems, knowledge base, NLP, which is also known as natural language processing, computer vision. Why AI? Because of more computational power, lots of big data, we are creating better algorithms. All are investing in AI, hence, it can be said that AI is the future. Now, we can derive the definition of AI, which is science and engineering of making intelligent machines. Types of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, which is also known as weak AI, we are at this stage. Second is artificial intelligence. This is strong AI, where the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human being can perform. Third is artificial super intelligence. It is hypothetical for us. Programming languages for artificial intelligence: Python, R, which is known as statistical programming language, Java, MATLAB, SAS. These are the top 5 languages. Thank you very much for watching this video.